Hello my lovely dear friends. I heartily welcomes you all to my channel Genuine Reviews. Today I'm going to tell you about the product named AFFIB2A, which is a latest launch by Chris and Pradeep Sahgal. AFFIB2A is a basic to advanced affiliate marketing video course package which is designed for users willing to make money from scratch and having no marketing background. In short, it's a complete, step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, generate new leads and massive affiliate commissions every single day. This course mainly comes with 2 modules. Module number 1. It will consist of 14 chapters of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business and run it profitably online for the long term. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. This system has covered several initial processes to get you going. Module number 2. Where you will get 30 chapters of step-by-step training videos which are the continuation videos of the basic package and will show you exactly how to take your affiliate marketing business off the ground and start generating life-changing income. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. It has covered everything that you need to know. I have covered all the modules in my video description that you can check later. Friends, with this video course package, you get access to use step-by-step tutorial videos to set up your own profit-pulling affiliate marketing business from scratch. You'll learn everything about getting started with affiliate marketing, like choosing the right niches and products, and getting traffic to making sales that can be the difference in a huge 6 or even 7-figure income and not making any money at all. Moreover, you are getting these super cool, exciting bonus with this course. Bonus number 1. AFFIB2A Video Course Training Guide ebook. Bonus number 2. Top Resource Report. And finally, bonus number 3. Training Cheat Sheet. Plus, if you do purchase through my link, I will provide you extra 20 super cool bonuses from my side for free. Which means you will get 23 bonuses with this product for absolutely zero cost. The most important part is this product comes with a 7-day money-back guarantee, my friends. In case if you do have any doubts, you can feel free to contact me on my email or WhatsApp number that I have provided below this video. Thank you friends and have a good day.